Okay, today we are going to look a program to calculate area based on the code entered. Okay, the loop will perform until user requests to stop and display the report on how many times each code has been calculated. Okay, so we are going to calculate about area for circle, sphere, and trapezium, and this is a formula. Okay, as usual, I'm going to declare all the variables, and I'm going to declare counter T, counter S, count T, count S, and count C, which initialize from 0. Okay, why I do so? It is because I want to calculate how many times that area are being calculated. So that's why I declare them and initialize them starting from 0. And then I also have declared my integer sentinel, which I have defined as -1. Okay, and then I have a string shape to display my shape of name of the shapes, and then I have base, height, length, radius, width, and area. And we also have constant pi and char type. Why I declare char type? Because I have selected to enter letters. That's why I declare them as char. So to allow user to know what are the letters can be entered, so I display the table: S for spheral, C for circle, and T for trapezium. Okay, I'm going to prompt the user to enter letter, and to make it my program look more user friendly, I have do it as a nested program, nested selection program, whereby S, T, and C, capital letter or small letter are allowed. Other than that, I'm going to display invalid code. Okay, so if this letter are entered, we are going to identify which case are them. So I'm implementing if and switch method. So case S capital letter and case S small letter. So for calculate sphere, I'm going to prompt the user to enter radius, and then I assign the name sphere to the variable shape, and then this is the formula to calculate. I have formatted them to the 2 decimal places, and this count SS plus here to calculate how many times I have entered case S. Okay, same it goes to C and also trapezium, circle and also trapezium. For trapezium, this is the formula. Okay, and then this is the formula for circle, and this is the formula for trapezium. Okay, then we have part of invalid code over here to show other than C, S, and T, we show invalid code. Okay, and I also here is the loop part, whereby I'm going to ask user to continue or to stop. Okay, they can enter any number to continue, and to stop they have to put -1. And this is how I put the Boolean expression for my loop. Okay, this program I have using do while loop, so do at the above there and while in a loop. And then after we don't want to loop, then only I can see the result of the count S, count C, and count T. Okay, let's run the program. Okay, the table has been displayed. So say I enter U not in the listed, so it will display invalid code. Enter number for continue to calculate, or enter -1. So I want to continue, so I can enter any numbers. So the table will display again, and I'm going to enter the correct letter S. S for sphere, and then I'm going to enter my value 3 for the radius, and I have the answer. The area of sphere is 133. Okay, so do you want to continue any letter, any number? So I enter number 4. Okay, I'm going to calculate the sphere again with other value 7. Okay, enter again. I'm going to calculate the trapezium. Okay, so I'm not I think it's enough, so I'm going to stop my program. So to stop the program, you will enter -1 as given in the instruction. So here I can see the report whereby the program loop for calculate Sphera for how many times. So you can see from the above, Sphera I have calculated for twice, so 2 times. For circle I didn't attempt any, so it will be 0 times, and for trapezium I have attempt 1 time, so it will show you. So this is how I write a program to allow user to enter the code, and then I'm able to calculate how many times they have entered the code. Okay, this is the report part, and this is the result part, whereby I can see the area of each shape I have entered.